If the printer is not used for more than 3 days, a moisturizing device needs to be installed to prevent clogging of the printhead. Prepare a moisturizing device. Add enough printhead protection solution to the plastic bottle, and then insert the ink tube into it. Move the ink card to the middle, then find a plastic bag to fill all the ink bags to prevent ink from leaking out. After installing the ink bag, you can use a rope or tape to seal the plastic bag to prevent ink from leaking out. Use syringes to guide protective fluid into the new ink bags separately. Be careful not to scratch the ink bag during the process, as the side of the ink bag is relatively weak. Then install the ink cartridge containing the protective solution onto the printhead. Move the ink card to the starting position. Then open the cover on the right side. Take out Finally, install the cover and open the printer. After starting the printer, hold down the ink button for 5 seconds and let the printer run the head cleaning once to complete it.